dumalo na sa House Blue Ribbon Committee ang Chief of Staff ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Sa kanyang pambungad na pahayag ay nagpasalamat sa komite si Atty. Zuleyca Lopez sa pangunawa ng mga kongresista kung bakit hindi siya nakadalo nang ipatawag sa huling hearing. Paliwanag nito, kinailangan niyang mapalipad ng agaran sa Amerika dahil sa medical emergency ng isang malapit na kaanak.
With a word of gratitude to the honorable members of the committee for the grant of understanding and sent travel to the U.S. due to a medical emergency of an immediate family member. I do want to let you know that the worst is not over yet for my relative, but the family is still expecting, of course, the best possible outcome. Having said that, I do want to extend my appreciation. And my entire family really is actually very appreciative of this act of kindness that was extended to me during that difficult time.
Samantalang muli namang ipinasight in contempt ng Blue Ribbon Committee si Lemuel Ortoño, Assistant Chief of Staff at Head ng Bids and Awards Department ng naturang tanggapan. Ito ay resulta ng muling kabiguang dumalo sa hearing sa kabila ng paulit-ulit na subpina. Ayon pa kay Ako Bicol Party List Representative Jill Bongalon, tila nananadya na umano si Ortoño sa pangiisnab sa House panel na lantarang pambabasto sa institusyon. Pinapadetine ito ng 10 araw sa Bicutan City Jail. Nauna na itong napakontempt kasama ng iba pang personalidad na mailap sa imbitasyon ng budget spending hearing ng Kamara sa OVP at Department of Education na parehong opisina ni VP Sara Duterte.
May I move once more, Mr. Chair, that Mr. Lemuel Ortoño be cited in contempt for the following reason, Mr. Chair. Number one, he is aware that there will be a committee hearing today, November 20, 2024, and that the excuse he offered in this letter is not a valid one. And for me, Mr. Chair, this is continued defiance of a lawful order of this committee, and it is a sign of disrespect, wherein members of this committee, Mr. Chair, had taken the time to attend and appear before this committee hearing.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection to the motion? Hearing none, the motion is carried.